English speaking tips vertical bar beginner to pro 1 minute. Want to speak English confidently? Let's go step by step from beginner to pro. If you're a beginner, start small. Don't worry about grammar. Focus on clear words. Not perfect sentences. Speak slowly. Simple lines like "I like learning English" are enough. Practice daily even for 5 minutes. At the intermediate level, build fluency. Start thinking in English instead of translating. Learn common phrases, not single words. Watch English videos and repeat sentences out loud. Mistakes are part of progress, don't fear them. Now, to reach the pro level, work on confidence and clarity. Improve pronunciation, stress, and tone. Speak with emotion. Practice conversations, tell stories, and express opinions. Most importantly, use Singlish every day. Remember, consistency beats talent. Start today, speak daily, and fluency will follow.
If you liked this lesson, like, share, and subscribe to versatile_amu_vlog. For more practical English lessons, follow for more at versatile_amu_vlog.